Hello, welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will talk about our vacation. Let's go. We will speak using present simple tense. Try to have your child repeat after me. If the sentence is too long, try to repeat 2 or 3 words at a time. It's okay if your child doesn't understand everything. Family. Family. This is a family. Car. Buy car. The family goes by car. How do they go? They go by car. Plane. By plane. The family goes by plane. How do they go? They go by plane. Bus. By bus. The family goes by bus. How do they go? They go by bus. Train. By train. The family goes by train. How do they go? They go by train. How do you go on vacation? By car? By plane? By bus? By train? I go by car. Send me a video or audio PM and tell me how you go on vacation. I'd love to hear your English and help you. Thanks for learning today. Tomorrow, we will review what we have learned this week. Grab the free download to get ready for tomorrow. See you soon!